Hey there, it's Chris with Clean Streak Pressure Washing. We are on another project here in Clearwater, Florida. Today we will be cleaning this pool deck and the screen enclosure. As you can see, a lot of tree cover, so they keep a lot of the pollen and so forth building up on this cage. We'll get all that blown off. We'll get the pool deck looking good again. We will also do the seating area back here as well. Get a lot of spiders. Another spider web up there. But you see what we're working with? Van's set up. We're going to get started. See, it's nice and clean back here and ready for more entertaining. If you have a home or business in the Clearwater area, I'd love a chance to earn your business too. Give me a call, 727-200-2352.